Hi everyone, have you ever wished you could turn your ideas into a cinematic animated story without any animation skills? Meet the Story Studio in Artflow AI, your ultimate tool for creating an AI generated animations with ease. So begin by opening the Story Studio in Artflow AI. Enter your story idea or script, and this will guide the AI in generating your scenes. Then, to generate the AI characters and scene, choose or create the AI generated characters that fit your story. Customize expressions, poses, and backgrounds for each scene. Click Generate and watch the Artflow AI bring your vision to life with animated sequences. Reorder and refine your story flow within the timeline. Add dialogue, voiceovers, and background music to enhance the experience. And then once you're happy with the result, export your animation and share it with the world. Try Artflow AI now and create your own animated stories effortlessly. Let your imagination run wild. If this was helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.